Assalamualaikum, it's Farzeen and welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with a different project share. Today I have this 30 memory box to share with you guys. This box is pretty big and it measures 6 by 6 inches, and so this will be able to hold a lot of stuff in there for you. So I absolutely love how this box turned out. So you'll be able to add a lot of pictures in there. I absolutely love how this whole box turned out. This paper collection I used is from AliExpress. The cutter parts are from AliExpress as well, and this box has 5 booklets in it, but you can definitely add more if you want. You can add chocolates. You can, if you're gifting this to someone, you can add a note, pictures, chocolates, anything, literally anything you want. So here are 5 of the booklets, and one by one I'll walk you through them all. Here is the first one, and I absolutely love how this turned out. This opens up to the side and up again, so you'll be able to add lots of pictures. And here is the second one. I absolutely love how tiny and adorable these booklets turned out. So this one opens to the side again. This is like an accordion fold, so you can open it like that as well. You can definitely add lots of pictures. The next one is this flip flap, you can call it. This opens on both sides, and I use some ribbon to keep it closed. This opens to the side here like that and like that, so it keeps opening up like that. I really love how this box turned out. If you want me to do tutorials on these booklets will make a really nice album insert. So if you want me to do a tutorial on these, I'll definitely do one. Here is the next booklet. This is a waterfall. I used a ribbon again to keep it closed. So again, you'll be able to add 4 by 3 pictures with the borders around them. Definitely let me know in the comments down below how you like the idea of this memory box, and what do you think about it and how this turned out. Definitely let me know in the comments. Here is the next element in the box. This is a pocket. This flap opens up, and you can add a picture here on the flap as well. Inside I added some photo maps. This memory box will make an adorable gift. So if you're interested in buying this, I do have this available for purchase on my Instagram. So if you are interested, you can contact me there on Instagram. All the details will be down in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. And if you want some custom orders, you want me to make some stuff for you, you can definitely contact me on my Instagram. And so yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, leave comments, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.